Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a 3D origami candy cane, like this one. So what you need is 51 pieces of white paper and 52 pieces of red paper. And you're going to need them to be 3.5 by 5 centimeters. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to fold a larger piece of paper so you can hopefully follow along better. So in order to fold each piece of your origami candy cane, you're going to first make a hot dog fold. So you're going to go from the bottom to the top, like so. Then, with the folded edge, you're going to fold those edges to the center, kind of like a paper airplane. And it does not have to be perfect. Okay, now you're going to flip your fold over, so it is like this. And then looking at these two bottom tabs, you're going to fold the edges down. So each edge is going to look like that. Okay, now you're going to take the tab you just folded, and you're going to fold it upward. So it becomes a nice, tidy triangle. Okay, and you're almost done. You're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half. So it looks like so. So now, in order to create your candy cane, you're going to set a red piece of paper pocket side down. So by the pockets, I mean these pieces right here. So you're going to set it down like so. Then you're going to add a white piece to the left spike. So it looks like that. Then you're going to take another red piece. And you're going to add it to the right spike. It will then look like this. And you're going to take another white piece, and you're going to add it to the two center spikes. And then you're going to continue that pattern until you run out of pieces. And in the end, your candy cane should look like this. So hopefully this helped you. You can come into the library and you can pick up an instruction sheet, and hopefully that will guide you along during the process. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you again.